Hello, my name is Mattea. I'm a test engineer here at the KNX test lab. Today, in our new format Apricum Talk, I'm hosting KNX expert and smart home coach Mr. Lausch. He's going to ask me a few questions about Apricum products. In this particular video, we will talk about Apricum product range KNX power supply. Welcome, Mr. Lausch.
Hi, Mattea. So, KNX power supply is a very important topic during KNX planning and realization. So, what can you tell me fundamentally about this KNX power supply?
KPS 640 is a robust KNX power supply with the motto concentration on the essentials. The KPS 640 was developed under the most modern technical point of view and impresses with its optimized internal structure. During development, we took care to answer increasing demand on the KNX market for the cost-effective power supplies. Aspects such as quality and reliability were considered first.
Okay. What differentiates the KPS 640 from other power supplies?
Well, KPS 640 serves as a supply of one line of the KNX bus system. It fits into housing of the 4 units on DIN rail, and besides KNX output, there is also an additional unchoked voltage output.
Is that additional unchoked voltage output, for instance, for panels and other devices?
Yes, exactly. Even KNX devices like touch panels that require additional power supply can operate through this second voltage output. Both outputs are overload protected and short circuit proof. Bus reset button and the LED display of operating states round off the device functionality and show whether voltage and the current are within the nominal range.
Okay, could you name a few benefits of this device?
In the first place, we have reliable and high quality product, but despite that, it is very cost effective and suitable for the market of large quantities. We have overload and short circuit protection. There is additional unchoked auxiliary power output. Bus line reset is realized by a local push button. LEDs show status information, and especially I would like to emphasize low energy losses that lead to lower operating temperatures, which results then in a long life expectancy.
Good. Can you tell me something more about the other power supplies that we have on this table?
We have IPS 640. With a footprint of only 2 units, Intelligent KNX Power Supply IPS 640 with diagnostic function is currently the smallest intelligent power supply on the KNX market. As well as KPS, it features an additional auxiliary power output to support individual components. Again, both outputs are overload protected and short circuit protected. Intelligent part is suitable for diagnostic, remote reset, troubleshooting and optimization. All actual measurement values can be sent on the bus as well as event counters and event durations. For events like overload, short circuit, load attached, KNX bus restart, device startups, total working time, operating time since light startup, and alarms. In combination with our UIM IP, the diagrams of voltage and the current from the last few operating hours can be remotely showed. So, besides IPS 640, we also introduced MEC-PS 640 this year. This new device that fits within 2 units on DIN rail combines functionality of the KNX TP line coupler with the 640 mA power supply. MEC-PS 640 connects TP lines and simultaneously powers the line on its secondary side.
Oh, this is great. It saves a lot of place in the distribution box.
That's right, 2 system devices united within MEC-PS 640. Installations can be planned much more compact and project becomes more cost effective. All filtering and special functions of TAPCO's highly appreciated line coupler MEC-TP are present. It can be used as line coupler, area coupler or repeater. Telegrams filtration can be group oriented or topological. It supports long telegrams up to 240 bytes APDU. One important security feature is suppressing configuration from the secondary line to the main line. The secondary line can be reset via push button. Supply of secondary line is overload and short circuit protected as well, and LEDs show status of the devices and the lines.
Thank you very much, Mattea. I see the benefits of your KPS power supplies, as well as the new IPS and MAC IPS devices, especially when the system has to be extended.
Yes, I'm glad you saw something new, and thank you for your visit. Have a safe trip home.
Thank you very much, Mattia.